tangents drawn from the point C, D to the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1 makes angles alpha and beta with the x-axis. If tan alpha into tan beta is equal to 1, then find the value of c square minus d square. So here from a point C, D, tangents are drawn. Since we know any tangent to the hyperbola having slope m is given by y is equal to mx plus or minus under root of a square minus a square m square minus b square, and here m is the slope of a tangent, and since it makes the tangents make alpha and beta are the angles with x-axis, which means that alpha and beta are the inclinations. So tan alpha and tan beta will be the slopes of the tangents, pair of tangents we can say. Now let us simplify. Since this tangent is passing through the point, so y is equal to mx plus or minus root over a square m square minus b square, which passes through C, D, which implies that d is equal to mc plus or minus under root of a square m square minus b square, or we can simplify d minus mc is equal to plus or minus under root of a square m square minus b square on squaring on both sides. D minus mc whole square is equal to a square m square minus b square. Let us simplify it. D square plus m square c square minus 2mcd, which is equal to a square m square minus b square, or this can also be written c square minus a square of m square minus 2cd into m plus d square minus b square, which is equal to 0, which is in the form of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, which equals to 0. So here the variable is m, and since we know that the product of the roots m1 m2 is equal to c upon a, so here tan alpha and tan beta are the roots, so we can say tan alpha into tan beta, so which is equal to constant term upon the leading coefficient, that is d square minus b square upon c square minus a square, so which is given in our problem as tan alpha into tan beta is equal to 1. So let's do cross multiplication. D square minus b square is equal to c square minus a square, so which implies c square minus d square is equal to this is plus b square, d square plus b square here, so we'll get d square plus b square. So c square minus d square is equal to b square plus a square. So and hence we can say the value of c square minus d square is a square plus b square. Okay.